Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show it to you how you can expedite your web design process using an elegant themes by Divi by Elegant Themes. So at the moment this is the old Toggle. Actually it's accordion, and what I want to use this. So I'm going to save this new style. I'm going to call it fag, and then we'll save it as a save as global. So it will share same design. So I don't want to, if they are using same content and same design, it's better to use it as a global. So let's save it again. I didn't able to hit the save to library. So let me save that and make it as a global. And then once that is already saved as a global, it will automatically turn to green, which means it's global. And if you copy or you paste it in other pages, they will share same style and content. Again, this is good if you have that, that section is sharing, has the same content, has the same styling. So but if it has the same styling but different content, you shouldn't be using global modules. So let me just paste that now. And okay, all right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add additional Toggle module to goal. Click that. If you notice, it's using its default styling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the new design that I created. I'm going to click copy module styles, and then click again the three dots and click paste module style. So we don't need to start from scratch. Now we can also, let's say, just add it again. Hold on. What I'm going to do is add another Toggle. Okay. And then let's say I want to add more Toggle. Okay, so now if you want to lessen the copy pasting thing, what you can do is click on the extend Toggle, and then you can select whether you want it to apply in the sections or column. So I'm going to click on this column, so it applies into the two Toggles. So that one. And let's say you want to add a Toggle in the second column. Instead of picking the column option, okay, let me just remove that. What I can do, let me just add another design of Toggle, a default design. So what you can do, click on extend. What you can do, instead of choosing the column, you can choose the, it only affect into the first column, yeah? So if you want to affect in all of the columns, instead of using the column, you can pick the section. Okay, you also have an options whether you want it to be the page, but at the moment I'm going to choose the section. So that's how you can easily expedite things in a web development, like web design rather, in Divi. You don't need a technical skills on this, just pretty simple copy pasting stuff. Design your boilerplate and then just do the copy pasting, and that's how easy you can use the elegant themes, like the Divi product. Yeah, if you want to try that, check out my link description below.